Guys, what's up? Welcome back to Spare Time Videos. It's really windy. Trying to film and get some stuff put together, but it's probably not going to be a good idea. It's just way too windy today. But I'll just go ahead and give you a sneak peek of what we have coming, and then I'm going to have a full installation video on this very soon. The weather can cooperate, but Alright guys, so unfortunately the weather's supposed to be terrible, but I will get this up as soon as I can. If I have to swap the Jeeps around, get one in the garage, get one out. But yeah, that video will be coming out really soon. Here comes the wind. The weather's awful. But anyways, thanks for viewing, thanks for subscribing. I've got a lot coming up. We've got the lift kit for the CJ we're going to be putting it on. The lights are going to be going on that one. I've got a bumper for this one. So lots of videos coming up. I just have to find the time to do it. And then I'll put them up and you guys can check them out. Thank you guys so much. Peace out.